The next second part of the model number 4 is feedback amplifier. Feedback technique. The feedback amplifier means the amplifier in which a part of output signal is sampled and fed back to the input of the amplifier is called as feedback amplifier circuit. And what is the necessity of feedback technique in the amplifier circuit? The reason is the voltage gain, input impedance, output impedance, and bandwidth. These are the most important characteristics of the amplifier. Actually, these parameters are nearly constant in the amplifier circuit, but sometimes what happens due to some distortion or to improve the quality of the amplification, sometimes we require to change these parameters. At that time, this can be achieved by the one technique that is known as the feedback technique. And the very advantages of this feedback is, so we can stabilize, we can maintain the constant voltage gain, we can reduce the distortion in the case of amplification process, so we can manage the values of input and output impedance. The most important thing is we can increase the range of amplification process. These are some advantages of the feedback technique. For these reasons, we are using a feedback technique in the amplifier circuit. And this feedback technique is classified into two types. One is positive feedback, another one is the negative feedback. So this is a positive feedback amplifier and this is a negative feedback amplifier. The difference is what? In the positive feedback amplifier, consider this. First of all, I am applying V in input signal, and with amplification we are getting high amplitude of output signal, and that output signal is sampled and fed back to the again input side through this feedback network. So whatever the feedback signal is applied, if it is in phase with the Vin, it is called as a positive feedback. If the feedback signal is out of phase, that means negative signal, that negative signal is out of phase with the positive signal. So this is called as a negative feedback amplifier circuit. So in types of the feedback amplifier, total 4 feedback amplifiers circuits are there, types are there. One is voltage series feedback, current series feedback, voltage shunt feedback, current shunt feedback. So out of these 4 types, according to syllabus, we will study this only the first type of feedback amplifier, that is voltage series feedback amplifier. So this is a basic block diagram of this voltage series feedback. So this is, we are applying the Vin as a source input voltage, and this ZIF is indicates input impedance with feedback, and whatever the Vi after this series mixing, so we are getting some output voltage at the output impedance with feedback across the resistor RL, and this output is sampled and fed back to the again input side with the help of this feedback network beta, and the output of the feedback network is Vf, that is a feedback voltage, and this feedback voltage is represented in the form of beta into V naught. It is a product of beta into V naught. Beta is a feedback factor, V naught is the output voltage. So Vf is equal to beta into V naught. So again this voltage is come at the input side, and consider Vi is equal to Vin minus beta into V naught. Actually this Vin is equal to or it is the sum of beta V naught and Vi. With the help of series mixing, so both voltages are mixed together, so that is called as Vin, main input voltage. So when the Vi and beta V naught are mixed together, so according to the advantages of the feedback technology, so we can increase the range of the amplification process. We can reduce the percentage of the distortion. We can maintain the parameters of amplifier either to increase or decrease. Okay, so next V naught is equal to A into Vi. A means voltage gain of this block. This A into Vi is nothing but V naught. So in A into Vi equation, put this Vi. What is Vi? A into Vin minus A into beta V naught. After that, equating both equations or find the voltage gain of entire voltage series feedback circuit. That means output divided by input is nothing but voltage gain, that is AF. AF is the voltage gain with the feedback, and this is given by finally A divided by 1 plus A into beta. So with the help of this equation we can get how much percentage of amplification is done, and it shows also the performance of the amplification in this voltage series feedback circuit. So A divided by 1 plus A into beta is the voltage gain of this circuit with the feedback network.